What's up, everybody? And today I'm going to be doing the fourth part in my Mortal Kombat Armageddn strategy guide. And this video's combatant is. Whoops, my bad. Now I had no clue where I was. Let's try that again. This video's combatant is. I've come to rather like Rain in the last couple days. He's a fun character to play as, and he's a complete dick to face. I like him, but oh my god, he's terrible to fight. So, let's take a look at his special move. His first one is Water Blast, left, right. It's a good one, and it's a good projectile, actually. Of course, now I can get it to hit him. Where'd you go, Sector? Okay, it throws him back, that's why it's not hitting him. Windy Feet is right hook. That was a fun one, and you can combo out of it with the lightning. Or I think you can hit him out of it. What he does is he jumps up into the air and propels himself into your face with his feet. Well, that didn't help. Okay, you can combo out of it with his next move I'm going to show you, but not with any punches. Lightning is down up. There, it actually hit him. This move is one of the very few moves in this game that has a distance requirement. And it has to be, I think it's like midway away from you for the lightning to hit, because it comes down out of the air and hits you. It's the same with Night Wolves and Chameleons. But it is a fun move to do, especially if you got it at the end of a combo. And I'll show you a really cool combo later on with both of those last moves. Now, Mystic Vapor, I think is what this one's called, is basically his teleport. It's down, up, or up, down, my bad. Let's see if I can do something. If you do that, or if you do the Windy Feet and you miss, it sets you up great for a lightning bolt attack, which is fun. And let me teleport around so I don't mess myself up. Left, left, down is a good combo. So you got any more good ones? Whoops, I put him on the spikes. That's a great stage fatality, although the other ones in here are better. Whoa. I think that's his only good style combo, and I forget his style name, I'm sorry. His weapon is a storm sword, I'm not sure what that is. But he's way too quick for his own darn good with it. Hey, that was cool. Up, up, left, left is what that was. He's one of the few characters I can find that has a 3-strike arrow. That's right arrow. There's my favorite. Is the gears. I love that move. Brutal fatality. It basically just destroys them. I kind of feel bad for that robot. Oh, that's a windmill. That's his good sword combos. Now I want to show you a cool combo that I figured out. If you do left, left, down, Windy Feet, lightning, it works out really well. Whoops, that was a teleport. Okay, let's try that again, Sector. There it went. And it hits him before he has a chance to get up, too, which is nice. That was just a fun combo. Let's see if I can get him in the lava, because that's all I got to show you for Rain. Get in there. Rain is a good character to play as. I personally like him. You know what I haven't been doing? I haven't been showing you their throws. Rain's throw is that. It's a nice one. Sub-Zero's is better. I don't know why he's not going in here. I'm right there by it. Okay, let's just forget that. It moved anyway. But I like Rain. He's a fun character to play as. He's annoying as heck to fight against, though. So I'm about half and half with him. He's definitely one of the ones I've been using more lately, but I think that's just to get better with him. I like the character, but I don't think I like him that much. Not to mention, fighting him in the story mode is absolutely broke. But he's definitely a good character. And I like him. Ooh, hang on. Did I just figure out a new combo? Nope. Hang on. Oh, you can knock him out of the air with that. That was cool. But that's all I got for Rain. Peace out.